Okay, I'm gonna open this hive. This was a swarm I caught. Ooh, dead bee. What happened? This was a swarm I caught early, mid-May. I went through the swarm with my fingers. I couldn't find the queen. I eventually got him in the bottom box. Went through it a week later, found the queen. She was skinny, so I don't think she was mated. So I'm going to go in here. I have a lot of bees going in, so I assume she's in here, and I assume she's a mated queen. I got nothing in the top box. Oh, easy boy. All right. Let's pull off the queen excluder. This is somewhat a friendly hive. Oh yeah, I got a lot of bees. And I see some babies. I see some little ones. There's a lot of honey. Check this out. A lot of white comb. A lot of honey. I can see it already. Like I said, it's pretty much a mellow hive. If you go slow enough, you can get in there and see if you have any infestation of hive beetles, wax moth. Alright. I'm going to go in and pull out a couple boards and hopefully I find a fat queen. Fat cat. Alright, I'm going to pull out these boards until I find a queen. Come on, get out of the way. Of course I can't find the tool. That's a nothing hive. They started making comb right here. Just set that down. This is all fresh honeycomb. This is a 4-inch board. I put it in there because that's all I had. They added to it. This is all capped honey, most of it anyway. No queen. You won't find a queen on here too often. Oh my God, this is heavy. Another 4-inch board. Oh, this has brood on it. This has some baby bees here. Oh yeah. Right here at the bottom. It's all baby bees. This is all honey. See them doing the wiggle dance? That's how they communicate. I don't see a queen. baby bees. There's some honey in here, but this board, there's honey on the top left and the top right here. But all in here is all babies. These are capped, these are not capped. These are larvae, all different stages. I don't see the queen. Loaded. Again, same thing, some honey, but mostly all capped brood. They definitely have a mated queen. Where that girl is right now, I don't know, but I ain't worried about that because I know she's in there and I know she's doing her thing. There she is. Oh, found my queen. Big old girl. Right there. Look how cool that queen is. If we're lucky, we'll see her lay an egg. So what she's doing, she's walking around inspecting holes to lay eggs in. It's a bunch of capped brood. She doesn't like the light, that's for sure. When I first found her a couple weeks ago, she was skinny. Now she's a big old fat girl. She's checking out a hole. Maybe she'll lay an egg. Well, I'm going to put her back in. This board here, we're starting to make comb on it. We're starting to draw it out.